I just create this video with Sora using a simple prompt. If you've seen jaw-dropping AI videos trending on social feeds lately, chances are they were made with Sora, OpenAI's new text-to-video tool. It's going viral because it lets anyone create realistic cinematic video just by typing a prompt. Today, I'll show you what Sora is, how it works, and what you need to know before you try it. Sora is a generative AI model by OpenAI that turns text into video. You type what you want to see, like a cat astronaut exploring Mars, and Sora creates a smooth, animated clip. The latest version, Sora 2, adds better realism, built-in sound, and a social app where you can share and remix creations. Right now, access is limited and mostly invite-only for iOS users in the US and Canada. Let's try it. Here's a simple prompt. Ultra-realistic hummingbird drinking nectar in slow motion, cinematic lighting. In seconds, Sora produces a 10-second clip, no cameras, no editing software. If you are anxious to try Sora, keep watching until the end to get information about accessing and access code.
It's almost too perfect out here.
Yeah, feels like the trees saved their best colors for today.
I'm glad we decided to walk instead of drive.
Me too. Gives me more time to hold your hand.
Smooth.
Great Sora prompts have 3 parts: subject plus action plus style. For example, a cozy home office with a laptop glowing at night, animated in a dreamy watercolor style. You can also add camera directions like close-up, slow pan, or time-lapse. The clearer and more visual the prompt, the better the output. Sora is powerful, but there are limits and ethical issues. Videos can still glitch. Hands, faces, or physics may look odd. Copyright: don't use protected characters or brands without rights. Deep fake risk: only create videos with your own likeness or with permission. Check local rules. Sora isn't available everywhere yet. Creators are using Sora to prototype marketing ads quickly, turn written stories into animated shorts, build stock-style footage for YouTube videos, visualize concepts before shooting real content.
To open fields, in laboratories, on the road, and across our cities, artificial intelligence is reshaping the way we work and live. Built by people.
Serene hand cream. Nourish and calm with shea butter, oat extract, and vitamin E.
If you have access to Sora, experiment responsibly and share your creations. I accessed Sora on Sora.com with a code shared with me by a friend. I then got my own code to share. I will put my invite code in the description. There is a limited number, so grab it now. Subscribe for more AI tutorials so you're ready to master Sora as it rolls out globally.